everyone, we are back with another news from the world of CRM. Today, we'll talk about the news creator platform launched by Zoho CRM. Zoho has announced the latest version of its low-code offering, Zoho Creator. The new version addresses the need for an easy-to-use platform that allows business users or developers to build robust business applications while enabling IT teams to install, educate protection, and manage usage while maintaining security and compliance. Bharat Kumar B, Head of Marketing and Customer Experience at Zoho Creator said, the bulk of low-code application development from customization to automation can be handled today by users with moderate technical knowledge. Where we see a gap, especially for the mid-market and enterprise, is between building and deployment. There are currently no low-code solutions on the market that allow business and IT users to build accurate end-to-end business solutions. With this update, the Zoho Creator platform combines application development, business intelligence, and analytics integration and process automation into a single platform, empowering IT teams to address ongoing security, compliance, and management challenges quickly. Organizations can now deploy a unified solution for all their low-code needs, extending the scope of innovation for every employee. The new version allows business users to quickly create scalable and low-code solutions that include applications, integrations, analytics, and process automation without the expensive and time-consuming training required for complex platforms. This allows 10 minutes faster implementation than other solutions on the market. Additionally, it gives IT and stakeholders greater control over governance and management without sacrificing automation, data-driven insights, interoperability, personalization, and the ability to impact revenue and growth. The platform enables IT and business users to collaboratively build and deploy highly customizable applications that automatically adapt to meet business needs. This allows companies to focus on solving business problems and seeking new opportunities. The Zoho Creator platform pricing starts at ₹1,000 per month per user, and it offers a 15-day free trial. I hope you like this news. To stay on top of the Salesforce CRM platform and learn how to make the most out of it, subscribe to our YouTube channel now and get the latest news and updates on CRM, Salesforce, Google Cloud, Google Computing, and more.